Hi guys, I'm Hardik. I'm product manager for Asus, and today we are going to tell you about how to put in hard drive or an SSD in an X512 laptop. So as you may know, there is a box which comes inside the X512 box. So in this you'll get all the materials you will need to put a hard drive or an SSD in the laptop. Here we go. So now all you have to do is unscrew the back panel of the X512, which I have done here. You have 4 screws at the bottom, 3 here. Remove this cover and you'll see that there is a hard drive slot right here in the motherboard, as well as there is a slot here for your extra RAM. This right here is the SSD, and you also get Wi-Fi card, which is right here. So the box itself gives you 4 diagrams of how to put the hard drive in the slot here, and we are doing it with the help of an SSD, because this slot will also support a 2.5-inch SATA SSD drive as well as a hard drive with the same size. We are using a 2.5-inch normal SATA 3 SSD, but you can use a hard drive if you want, and this drive will support up to 1 TB of SSD SATA or a hard drive SATA. You can also use a 5-footer drive or a SSD drive if you want. So to put a hard drive or a SSD in the slot, align the key here with the key here and put it inside. So after you put in this cable, all you have to do is peel this thermal compound off this sheet and put it here, align it with the back and wrap it around. The diagram is given on the box itself, and you can do it on your own. Now I'm not going to use it right now because we're going to replace the hard drive anyways, but this is how you do it. You wrap it around side of the hard drive, going around, and this side. Now we move on to the step 3. Now the cage. To check the cage, you have to check that the arrow aligns at the bottom of the drive. Now our SSD is ready, and we have to do is put it inside the laptop. As your hard drive or SSD is wrapped in the rubber grommets, what you have to do is place it with the aligned teeth you see here and the aligned teeth you see on the bottom socket, like this, and thus gently push it in, and you will see that the drive will drop down in the socket. Now, since your drive is in the socket, all you have to do is gently lift the tab here. The tab is lifted. Place the blue part on the top part and try to slide it slowly inside the groove here. There's a small groove here which you will see when you are putting the ribbon cable. Once you're done, just lock it into place. Keep the wire on the side and put back the lid. Now close all the tabs, put in the screws. That's job done.